Hey babes, hello, good morning. I got my voice down because my family's still sleeping. I could not rest. I have been going through so freaking much spiritually, being attacked, physically, just feeling drained. Look at me, it's a lot. So I tried to explain it to you the last time we spoke. I don't know if you understand the levels I'm talking about, but it's okay if you don't. So today, I do want to reach out to Yu Menglong. Now, I don't know if he's going to come through. I don't know. I will give him time. I will have patience. I have zero expectations of him coming through. So if he does, I'll be shocked. I'm not really close to this, as you can see. Okay. So I cannot make this go off from where I'm at. If I get closer, it does go off. I do have true crime cards here from Ashley, the Reckoning Co. I believe she's on YouTube. I will pull some cards. I want to talk to you guys, but now's probably not the appropriate time or whatever, so. Okay, so let me just explain what this is. I'm gonna touch it. This is a REM pod EMT, and this is a paranormal research instrument. Okay, it has an antenna, and the closer you get, the more wild it goes. Again, from here, it's not for sound, it's literally just for touch. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it. I can put the wire this higher. Okay, so let me just get comfortable.
在这场备受关注的通灵对话中 ，Kandis Starr 采用了超自然探测仪器，它的原理非常特别。它像是在虚空中布下了一个感应圈，每当于朦胧的能量体试图回应 Kandis 的提问时，只要靠近或触碰天线，设备就会立即感应到磁场的变化。这种物理触碰的验证方式，让这次关于真相的对话变得更加直观且震撼。
I'm just gonna start with the cards and just see if anything happens. I'm gonna always go through my spirit guides first. So Vinny and Kanika, if you guys don't mind bringing Yu Menglong through, and let him use this device to help with yes or no's. If it's a yes, please touch it. Make it light up. If it's a no, keep it silent. And also help guide me in choosing the cards to tell his story. Yu Menglong, I just want to take this time to let you speak to your audience, because this is your audience that will be watching. Affair, cheating. So I'm not taking this like a boyfriend-girlfriend cheating. I'm taking this like in his affairs, somebody's cheating. Yu Menglong, if you don't mind me calling you You or Long, I don't know if that's okay.
当电磁感应仪的灯光亮起，那是于朦胧的灵体能量对 Kandis Starr 的回应。这画面真的很暖心，相信经过数次沟通，于朦胧已经把 Kandis 当成了好朋友。当 Kandis 问他是否可以称呼他为龙龙时，礼貌的于朦胧也立刻做出了感应回应。
Routine, habit, and typical. The cheating, I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to give a false read. Yu Menglong. Was your death your responsibility? Like, did you do this to yourself by accident, on purpose, whatever the case may be? Did you do this? Flight, air travel. Oh my goodness. I'm not taking this as a plane. You guys know what I'm taking this as, right? Flight, air traveled. Oh, all right. So let me just see if you could do that, because you did really good 2 times now. Did you do this to yourself? Here, I won't look. Did you do this to yourself? What happened? Can you show me in the cards? Family. Affair, cheating, family. Do you feel that your team, like your directors and stuff, sorry, that was me, your directors and stuff, do you feel like they were your family at one point? That's a yes. I asked, touch it if yes. Oh. Government. Oh. Oh my God, I got government here. Oh, that's creepy. Sound like a government cover-up? Stop it. Don't stop, but a meeting. What kind of meeting? Like to formulate a plan for you? Oh. Organized crime. What the heck? Blue and purple. Right when I said blue, the blue lit back up. Oh my gosh. You're doing amazing. Oh, it goes through me, but you're doing amazing. Holy crap.
在这场沟通中，通灵师 Kandis Starr 抽出的几张卡片，揭示了其背后极其沉重的真相。首先，最让我们心碎的，并非黑暗本身，而是那些曾被龙龙视为家人的人，竟然出现在了背叛的名单里。这暗示了他身边那些亲近的工作人员、导演或合作伙伴，不仅背叛了这份信任，甚至这种背后捅刀的行为，在那个圈子里已成了某种惯用的运作手段。他是被最信赖的人一步步推向了万劫不复的深渊。其次，关于真相的定性，这绝非意外。当坎蒂斯特追问死亡是否是你自己的责任时，设备陷入了长久的沉默。在通灵语境下，这种沉默是极具冲击力的否定信号。他明确否认了自杀或意外的可能性。结合人为这张牌，他冷酷地指向一个事实：他的遭遇是由他人精密策划并实施的，并非自然或意外发生的。随后，卡片展示了从航空旅行、秘密会议到组织犯罪的惊人链条。飞行航空运输散发着恐怖的暗示，他可能在意识受限的情况下， 被通过秘密航空手段画地域转移，这完美解释了他在公众视野中凭空消失且无迹可寻的假象。
An optical illusion. That air flight, right? Oh, he jumped, right? Blue and purple, red. The purple one's blinking, the red solid, the green, the yellow, the blue. Oh my god. Oh. I'm sorry. My breath. Oh man. I got affair, cheating, routine, habit, typical. So they got so used to like cheating him, it was just typical habit, routine. Flight and air travel. Now this could mean, right, going places, right? But that's not what I felt when I read it. Organized crime, family, government. I'm not saying the family's involved, okay? Maybe he thought these people were family, right? Government. Oh, purple again. Meeting an optical illusion. Whoa. Hold on. Oh, my heart is pounding. Struggle. Like a fight? Man, I didn't even expect you to blink this one time, so... Oh. He's definitely using my energy, but it's okay. Whoa. Freedom. Have you found freedom now? Good. Good. Man, whoa. Freedom. Wow. I just need to take a moment for you, baby. An unavoidable disaster. So you tried to avoid it and you couldn't? Stop, it's like literally like answering me. I feel kind of nauseous, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, the energy is just so thick. You're doing amazing. I want to barf. Pardon me, hold on. Pardon me, I'm sorry. Oh. Can't even say it out my mouth. I don't feel good, hold on. A secret government program. That's not me, guys. It's not me. Oh, my stomach hurts. Hold on. Oh. Can we get into the deep stuff? Is that okay? Okay. It's political. What does that even mean? Like, I know what political is, but what? Oh, the chills up my freaking body. That's crazy. there, but there's nothing over there that beeps. I swear on everything, I just heard a thing. Like beep. What the hell? Oh, you, did they do a surgery on you? I feel so much sadness right now. So much sadness. I'm in full-blown chills. I asked for deep. You're doing great. A weapon. I got a weapon. Was that me? That was me. What kind of weapon are you talking about for the medical emergency? Is this like being cut open? Oh, that's just going through me now. Oh my God. I'm trying to hold it together. I'm so sorry. Surveillance. Surveillance. They were watching you. I just need to breathe for a moment because this is so thick and heavy in here right now. You're doing amazing, 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 baby. And people hear you. They are all gonna hear you. Timeline issues. He's saying something's not adding up here. That's not me. All of them just went off. Stop. Don't stop. I'm sorry. It's just something I say. I'm sorry. There's an accomplice and a partner. You're doing amazing, baby. I'm just so sorry. He's bringing up a beach, like a vacation. Like vacation, beach, I can't spit the word out. Biology, chemistry, and scientific. I wonder if they like took something from him, like DNA or something, and said, hey, come on this vacation. I don't know, but it's together, whatever this is. Something about a vacation or a beach, and something about scientific is biology. Your organs? That's crazy. Wow. Royalty. Is that who put all this? Didn't he have like a plan? Didn't he say something about a plan? A meeting, surveillance, organized crime. Is it from the royalty? Good God. That just changed. Oh. My whole ceiling's lit up. Holy crap. What the... Whoa. Treason. It's showing like money. Were they stealing from you? Money? The sound changed. My phone zoomed at the same time. Whew. And now it's showing conspiracy theory. Like, no, y'all crazy. All this is just craziness. Oh, you all need your tinfoil hats. Did it again. I just saw it. What the heck? Alright, you did amazing. Do you like these? Do you want to do more? It's totally up to you. A ceremony. Do you want to do more? A ceremony from a con man. Alright, let me take a break. What the heck? Oh, that was intense. Oh. Would you like to do more of this? Does this help you? That was me. Oops. Routine, habit, typical. Wow. So you say you like it? Is this helping you? I don't want to keep asking you questions if you don't want to talk. I mean, I know if you don't want to talk, he's not going to come through, but is this helping you? I'm so nauseous. My intentions are to help. Would you like me to come back? All 5 of them just lit up. It said boom, 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 boom. Wow, 2 at a time. Another 2. Wow. Ugh. What is happening? Oh my God. I truly feel like the more voice I give you, the more spiritually attacked I am. I know I'm protected, so I don't get the full brunt of it. But it's not easy. But it's worth it. It really is. You deserve your life back, and I can't give that to you. but I can't let you speak. Wow. And you always have a home here. Wow. I'm gonna turn it off, okay? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vinny. Thank you, Kanika. It's me now. See? I don't know if you can see that. Alright. Oh, it's a little annoying. I know this sounds a little annoying, but it's so that we can all hear it, you know, and see it. I think he did amazing. The cards. With that, 2 validations at the same time. If we do this again, any specific questions? Yes or no form. I can't say, what color was he wearing? Yes or no form. And, wow. I'll gather my energy back up. I don't feel good. I'm being honest. I always try to be very transparent with you guys. I don't feel good. It's been rough the last 2.5, 3 months since Celeste Rivas Hernandez readings. It's been very hard. And then Yu Menglong, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I see and feel. With Celeste Rivas Hernandez, the spiritual attacks, yes, they're demonic, yes, they're negative energy. But with Yu Menglong, it's more of this is an ancient, evil energy. It's ancient. I don't know any other word to describe it, but ancient. Like, whoever is involved, they dug deep to silence people. Really deep. When I say they dug deep, they're conjuring things that nobody should conjure. Do you understand? The depth of what I'm trying to say, I don't know, but I don't like it. And it's literally like a battle for survival every freaking day. Now, I'm not smart or nothing like that. No. I'm not talking like that. I'm just talking a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure. A lot of things happening wrong, going wrong. They're normal. But there's this extra intensity and darkness with this. I don't know how to explain it. I love you, babes.
通过今次 Kandis Starr 与朦胧感应连线，我们听到了一个温柔灵魂最绝望的控诉。视觉与时间的骗局，它告诉我们，你们看到的是错觉，听到的是时间线的谎言。与朦胧灵体反复强调是错觉和时间线对不上，这有力地证实了外界长久以来的怀疑，极有可能是利用预先录制的素材或替身，在特定的时间点投放。这是一场精心利用时间差和视觉欺骗完成的身份偷窃。从度假到陷阱，最令人心碎的是，他被那群曾视为家人的人出卖，在所谓的假期诱惑下，他毫无防备地掉进了生物医疗的陷阱。卡片中提到的器官与科学，揭示了那场本该是放松的旅程或聚会，最终却变成了他无法逃脱的噩梦。诠释的高墙与秘密计划，这张网大到涉及皇室显贵与秘密计划。真相之所以被掩盖得密不透风，是因为这早已不是简单的商业纠纷，而是指向了社会金字塔顶端的势力。这不仅是一场利益的交换，更是一次涉及权力核心的黑暗运作。古老的邪恶与晋升随后的卡片仪式，骗子与古老的邪恶，将事件推向了更诡谲的维度。Kandis Starr强调，这股能量并非普通的负面气息， 而是某种古老的阴影。这暗示现在出现在大众面前的那个他，不过是正在执行一场欺骗全世界的表演仪式，幕后黑手不仅权势滔天，更在动用某种禁忌的手段来晋升所有知情者。Kandis Starr 在沟通中所受到的灵性攻击，就是最真实的证明。即便是面对如此强大的压制，荣龙依然通过5个指示灯的全亮，向我们发出了最后的呼救。他理应找回属于他的生命，而我们是负责传递真相的唯一窗口。
Hello， 柠檬宝贝，你们好。谢谢你们一直支持我，也希望你们在支持我的同时要注意身体健康，开开心心的，不要总生气。加油！